The first photo in the color open section is called Color Pencils. It got 12, which is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Heather Aspeling. This is really an impactful photo with the colorful pencils and its reflection on a neutral black background. I like the diagonal lines of the pencils coming in from the left-hand side. Just watch out for some white spots on the dark background that you can easily take out. Santa Monica Wheel got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Gerard Geldenhuys. It is a nice holiday photo that was captured. The main focus on the big wheel on the left-hand side of the photo is quite nice. It is colorful and it tells a story of happiness. I like that you've included more of the area in the photo, but the horizon is nearly in the middle of the photo. If you cropped it so that it's placed more than a third in the photo, it would have had more impact. Roy Nal de Koker got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Niels Jackson. The red dragonfly gives the photo a lot of impact, and I like the diagonal line leading in from the left to the right, the branch that the dragonfly sits on. The green background opposite of the red makes the dragonfly stand out well. Just watch out, the dragonfly left wings are out of focus. Elandre got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Louise Jackson. It is a nice moment that was captured of the famous Afrikaans singer. You handled the light conditions quite well. It is normally quite difficult to take a photo of somebody on stage only lit by the stage lights. The colors are quite striking. Crystal got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Iman Meyer. It is a beautiful photo of a beautiful model. I love the soft light and also the difference between the lighter and the darker areas. It is quite an unusual crop, but I think it works quite well. Dad's camera got 12. It is gold for a 1-star worker. Well done, Heidi Archer. This is a nice setup desktop photo. It has a lot of impact and the focus is perfect. Share on Margate got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Carminda Swanepoel. This photo really has a lot of impact. I like that the ball where the sparks are flying from is in the middle of the photo, giving the sparks enough room to fly into. The colors are also striking. Bee on a Rose got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Margaret Finn. The rose is nice and big in the format and the background is dark and nicely out of focus. There are just some areas on the rose that are a bit bright. WS 14109 got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Wouter Scherfontein. This is a nice panning shot of the aeroplane. You handled the light quite well and I love the movement in the propeller of the aeroplane. One can even see the face of the pilot quite well. Wearing Red got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Jacobus Oukamp. The red gives the photo a lot of impact, standing out from the black background. I like the expression on the model's face, but I think your crop is too tight and a more relaxed crop would give the photo more impact. Air Battle got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Rian Swanepoel. This is an excellent sport photo with the ball that's in the air and all the players focusing on the ball. The players are perfectly in focus and the background nicely out of focus. You handled the light very well. Well done, Rian. Golden got 11. It is gold for a 3-star worker. Well done, Gerard Louw. It is quite a nice photo of the Brandwag Rock just outside Golden Gate. I love the nice sunset color on the rock. You handled the light and the crop quite well. Sunset by Fire got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Karen Crook. There's nice atmosphere in this photo with the fire and the sea in the background and the sun setting to the left. Unfortunately, the buildings and the trucks parked to the left-hand side is a bit distracting. If you could have changed your position to cut them out, the photo would have more impact. Dogfight Under the Moon got 10. It is silver for a 5-star worker. This is such an interesting photo, but unfortunately the focus has let you down. There are also not enough movement in the propellers of the aircrafts. Contrast Drops got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Heather Aspeling. I love this kind of abstract photos. The colors are beautiful and you've handled the light very well. This photo definitely has a lot of impact. Bodega Bay Harbour got 10. It is silver for a 5-star worker. This is a colorful photo taken from quite a unique angle. It seems like it was a wide-angled photo, maybe a merged photo. Unfortunately, the photo is very busy and there are some black areas at the bottom of the photo which does not add to the impact of the photo. Runabout of White and Green got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Louise Jackson. It is quite an interesting and abstract photo. It is nice and big in the frame, but it seems like it needs a focal point that is definitely more in focus. Lunch got 10. It is gold for a 1-star worker. Well done, Heidi Archer. Nice action was captured with the marabou and its lunch. Unfortunately, the photo was taken directly from the back, which brings the impact down, and it looks like it was an overcast day as the light is a little bit flat. Dwarf Trees got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Margaret Finn. The trees at the bottom of the sand dune really look small. I like the scenery that was captured with the different layers of sand dunes. The gravel at the bottom of the photo gives a lead-in line, but the photo needs more impact. A little bit more saturation and less grain will definitely improve the photo. VS 141119 got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Wouter Serfontein. Another nice panning shot of an aeroplane. Once again, there's so much movement in the propeller, and one can also see the face of the pilot. Well done. Girl with Red Hat got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Jacobus Oukamp. It's a nice moody photo and I like the expression on the model's face. You handled the light mostly well. There's just the area on the model's left shoulder that is a little bit too bright. Blue and yellow contrast got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Rian Swanepoel. Excellent action was captured and all three players are focused on the ball, which is in the air. The background is nicely out of focus. Weerlig got 10. It is gold for a 3-star worker. Well done, Gerard Louw. It is difficult to capture lightning at that exact moment when it strikes. Well done. I like that there are a little bit of buildings and the power lines at the bottom anchoring the photo. It just seems that the photo is very noisy, or maybe the overall quality of the photo is not great. Tricky Flying got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Tom Farmer. It is nice to have the three aeroplanes in a photo breaking away from each other. The smoke actually gives a nice moody atmosphere in the photo. One can see there's a lot of movement in the propellers. Well done. This photo called Aerial Battle by Rian Swanepoel got 13 and it was chosen as the best in section for Color Open. Well done, Rian.